Hello and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee. Here's the first episode of Fatty Floats again versus flips like the roller coaster ones. I'm down 66.6 pounds so far in 28 weeks. And I need all the support I can get to help me on this weight loss journey. So please hit like on this video. Also click that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. And please follow me on all the social media links in the description below. It was a pretty busy day at Aquatica, so aside from the general population pee pools, we only rode one ride, and I filmed it. It's the OMAKA ROCKA, so let's go. All right. What's the name of this ride I'm going on? What? What's the name of this?
OMAKA ROCKA.
OMAKA ROCKA.
Signal tunes only for this attractive.
Just like this? That's it?
Yeah, you're good to go.
All right, OMAKA ROCKA. Uh-oh. Going backwards. Shit. Oh, that's fun. Hilarious. Well, that was fun. A POV water ride. I think I need to do some more of those. Maybe when it's not as busy. But thanks for watching the first episode of Get Fit by 50's Fatty Floats again. Be sure to check out all my other POV thrill ride videos if you're into that, and please watch my weekly weight loss results videos as well. I will get fit by 50 and I will lose 100 plus pounds or more. So have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit that subscribe button and please remember to use your damn turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.